Hello and welcome to another episode of Honey Badger Racing, and this is the engine build, much overdue, but we've had a lot going on and a lot of things are going to happen in the coming weeks, so hopefully we'll have some continuous videos for you. So Grant starts us off by heating bolts up, as Grant does, always with the fire. So it was freezing we filmed this, so the fire was on in the garage. And we have got obviously the block here back from machining, so it's been left a little bit because we had obviously prepping the car to do, so we just need to give it a clean up. There's 3 or 4 of us on there, and just give it a good once over so we won't have any issues with the full build. So this is just a cloth, microfiber cloth covered in thinners. This is just to clean down all the cylinders. Not too big, bro.
Got too big for my boots, didn't I?
So this is painted in Snowberry White, the same as the back of the car. Obviously, we're well aware this is going to show up all the muck and all the dirt, but it will also show all our oil leaks, water leaks, and anything else. I'll highlight them quickly, so we'll be able to nip them as soon as we see them. Also, it looks cool. So here we are doing the initial torque for the crank. We are going to stick some little plasticine thing here so we can check the distance between the crank and the bearings. This will give us an indication to make sure that we've got the right bearings in. You'll see this shortly. Join us in the next episode where we finish this engine and hopefully get to go racing.